Hey friends, a lot of users are reporting that the F8 key does nothing. See, it doesn't do anything even on my system, even if I press it with the FN key or I press it standalone. I just tried both of them while dictating here. So the reason is not that there is any issue with the keyboard. The thing is that that a few keys have functions which are not regular functions. For example, it may mute the camera, it may mute the microphone, but if that has not been set in the privacy settings, you will not be able to do it. So this is why the F8 key may not always work. It depends upon the functions. However, if you're still in doubt, then search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list for keyboards, right click on the first one and update the drivers, right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.